have to open for YouTube first. So after this, you just can refer class on my YouTube channel. Sekejap. Mana ni? Alright, okay. Okay, so today what we're going to do is mix operation. So for mix operation, of course, we have additional, subtraction, and then we also have multiplication and division, and also we have another one that is bracket. Okay, so the operation that we have, the basic operation that we have in mathematics: additional, subtraction, uh, multiplication, and division. Also, we have another one, which is bracket. Okay, basically, this operation we already learned in year 4. Sebenarnya kita dah belajar dah masa tahun 4. Okay. For mixed operation, we have a priority. If we make two different operation, we have a priority which one we are going to do first. So to remember the priority, the acronym for us to remember is BODMAS. Okay, the acronym for us to remember is BODMAS. B O D M A S. Okay, this is acronym that we have to remember because the acronym will help us to remember which one is the priority if we meet two operation. Okay, number one, what is meaning for B? B is for
bracket.
yes, it is. B is for bracket. Okay, then after that we have look at D. Okay, D is for no, divide or division. Okay, division. And then
Divide.
yeah, next we have M. M for
Multiplication.
Yeah, it is multiplication. After that we have A. So A represents for addition.
Addition.
Addition. Additional. And the last one we have S, which is
Subtraction.
subtraction, tolak. Okay, so this is priority that we have to remember. Ni keutamaan yang kita kena ingat for mixed operation. Okay, basically this 1, 2, 3, 5 operation that we have here are divide into 3 big group. Okay, dia sebenarnya dia boleh bagi pada 3 kumpulan yang besar, 3 big group. Okay, first group we have B, stand by itself, and then we have DM. Okay, this one is second group, and the third group we have AS here. Okay, what is meaning for the purple and the green here that I have here? They are for DM, they have the same priority. Okay, ada keutamaan yang sama, which is maksudnya dia punya ni if two operation here meet, dua operasi ni bertemu, dia punya keutamaan dia sama saja. If the first one is for divide and then you meet times, so you have to do divide first and then times. Okay, lepas tu you buat darab macam tu. Okay, for additional and subtraction, they have same priority, keutamaan yang sama. Okay, for example here adik, this one is just repetition during year 4, during the last Ya, kita dah pernah belajar dah dekat sekolah. Okay, for example, okay, X, sekejap I have to write down this one first. Okay, B, this one, first priority, and then DM, second priority, and then AS, third priority. Keutamaan yang ni. Okay, let's say, for example, we have example here, 3 plus 2 in bracket times 1. Okay, we have two operation here, three operation here, bracket, and then in the bracket we have addition, and then last we have multiplication here, times 1. Okay, so look at the priority in the board mass here. The first priority is B, which is bracket. That means you have to solve the question in bracket first. Kita kena selesaikan soalan yang dalam bracket dulu, dalam kurungan dulu. So in this case, you have to plus first. Okay, 3 plus 2, what do you get?
5.
5. And then 5 times with 1. Okay.
5.
Okay, so 5 times 1 will get 5 lah. But what I want you to remember here, we look at it, this one we have a bracket, okay, and then we have a times this one. Kita ada darab dekat sini. We have a multiplication here. Okay, so when we meet bracket and multiplication, remember both mass here. So both mass, that means you have to solve in bracket first. Kena selesaikan yang dalam kurungan dulu. Okay, that one is the priority lah for us. Okay, to get the answer, you have to solve the question in the bracket first, and then baru you times. Okay, alright. Okay, next example. Example number 2. What we have to do if the question starts with multiplication here. Okay, 2 times 4 plus 3 plus bracket. Okay, here, look at the question that we have here. We have 2 times in bracket 4 plus 3. If you look at here, the first one here, we have times, multiplication, and then we have bracket. Okay, remember, both mass, the first one priority is for bracket. So, even the multiplication is first operation that, if you look at here, 2 times, or kita nampak multiplication dekat depan, is the first operation that we look at the equation, but we have the next one is bracket, which is bracket 4 plus 3. So you have to solve the equation in the bracket first. That means you have to plus first. 4 plus 3, you get
7.
7. Okay, and then 2 times 7. Okay.
14.
Okay, you cannot times first. 2 times 4, because you look, sir, that one we have a multiplication at the first one. No, if we make multiplication and bracket, you have to do bracket, because bracket is the first priority. Remember that this one, both mass. Okay, alright. Okay, that one if involving bracket. Okay, if involving bracket. Okay, how about if the equation that we have here is 2 times 6 divided by 2. This one we don't have a bracket, but we only have times or multiplication and division. Okay, so look at our board mass here, our acronym here. Division and multiplication is in the second priority, DM. Okay, look at the circle in the purple color there. DM is on a second priority. Okay, so they are in same group. DM in the same group in the purple color. So what you have to do is you can just times 2 times 6 first, and then you'll get 2 times 6. What will you get?
12.
Okay, 12, and then 12 divided by 2.
2.
Okay, and then 12 divided by 2. Why we can just times and divide? Because DM is in a same group. Yeah, they are same priority, keutamaan yang sama. Okay, and then okay, next one. How about if we have 14 divide by 2 and then times by 3? Okay. This one, we have division and multiplication. Divide and times. Okay. If you look at DM in the same circle in a purple color, so it is have a same priority. So you can just divide first. 14 divide by 2 and then times 3. So 14 divide by 2 will get 7, and then 7 times 3 will get
7.
7 times 3.
21.
21. Okay, so because DM is in the same group, in the same group, in the circle with purple color there. Okay, so you can it is have a same priority lah. So you boleh buat yang mana which one you look at first. Okay, okay. Next one. How about question that involving addition and subtraction? Okay, for example here, 3 plus 7 minus with 4. Okay. This one plus and minus, addition and subtraction. So AS, addition and subtraction, is in the same circle, on the third circle in the green color here, AS. So it has a same priority. So just same what we have done before. We solve which one that we made first. So for this one, we have 3 plus 7. So you have to solve 3 plus 7 first. So 3 plus 7, we got 10. And then 10 minus 4, we get 6. Okay. So this one in the same group. Addition and subtraction, AS. Okay. So we solve which one that we meet first. Okay. Just same if we have here 15 minus 4 plus 9. Okay. This one we have minus and addition. So subtraction and addition. So subtraction and additional is in the same group in the green color, AS there. So for this question, you have to minus first. 15 minus 4, so you'll get 9, and then 9 plus 9, you'll get 18. So you have to solve minus first and then you plus. Okay. How about the question if involving multiplication and addition? Okay, for example, next one, 20 plus 1 times 3. Okay. Look at the last one here. That I have here. The last question here. 20 plus 1 times 3. Okay. If you look at this question, first operation that we made is plus 20 plus 1. And then we have times 3. Multiply with 3. Okay. Now, look at the priority that we have. Both mass. So B on the first priority, DM on the second group, second priority, and AS on the third group. Okay. So if you look at here we have addition and multiplication. So multiplication is the second priority group. Okay. Dia dekat group yang kedua, keutamaan yang kedua, the second priority on the purple group there. So for this question, you have to solve multiple first. You have
Multiplication.
you have to solve multiplication first. You cannot plus first and then times. No, because the priority is on multiplication. DM on the circle, purple circle ni kan. DM is a first, second priority. So you have to solve 1 times 3 first. Okay, remember you have to times first, and then 1 times 3 you will get 3. After that 20 plus with 3. What happen if you do plus first? Addition first?
Will we just get the same answer? Get it plus?
No. If you look at the difference here. 1 times 3, we get 3, right? Okay. And then 20 plus 3. So you get 23. Okay. What happened? Zendra said, teacher will get the same answer. How can you get the same answer? Look at what happened if we plus first. 20 plus 1, what we get?
21.
21. Okay, what happened with if 21 times 3? It is 60 plus plus. Am I right? Dia dapat 60 lebih.
63.
So it is different, right? The answer should be 23. But if you plus first, you will get a different answer. Dapat jawapan yang berbeza. So you'll get wrong lah. That's why you have to remember the priority. Okay? Kena ingat keutamaan dia. Sebab you will get the different answer if you do plus first. Okay? If you do a multiplication first, times first, 1 times 3, you will get 3. And then 20 plus 3, you will get 23. The answer should be 23. It's the correct answer. If you plus first, 20 plus 1, you get 21. 21 times 3, you will get 63. So it is totally wrong. The answer is not 63. The answer is 23. So that's why what is the important here, you have to remember the acronym for the priority for the operation that we have here, BODMAS. We just remember BODMAS. So first priority is in bracket question, and then the second one for DM, it's not a direct messenger, yeah, everyone. I know you know that DM, your DM in in IG and DM in TikTok is direct messenger. No, the DM here is not a direct messenger. And here is division and multiplication. And then the last, the third group for priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. And then this one, we have addition and multiplication. It just same if you meet division. For example, 23 minus 14 divided by 2. Okay. So, as what I have mentioned to you before, remember BODMAS here. We have here 23 minus 14 divided by 2. So, since here we have divide. Okay. Since we have divide, remember BODMAS. So, division is the second priority here. So, we have to divide first. Okay. 23 minus 14 divided by 2, you have to do divide first. So 14 divided by 2, you'll get 7, and then 23 minus 7. Okay. What happen if you minus first? 23 minus 14, so you'll get 9. 9 divided by 2. 9 cannot be divided by 2, except we'll get the answer that we have remainder, or you will get the answer in the perpuluhan decimal point. So that one is wrong lah. The answer that you get is wrong if you do minus first, because the priority is division. Okay, right? So please, what you have to remember here is just in BODMAS, this one. So the key here for mixed operation is you remember the BODMAS that I draw and share with you here. Yang ni so if you want to copy, yes, you can copy this one first, because after this we will do some exercise. It's just a simple exercise for you, because our class will end on 9:30. Kita tak buat lama because this one Ramadan, because after this I will continue my solat tarawih. So cikgu pun buat kejap je kelas kita. So during Ramadan our class is only 1 hour. So we start at 8:30 and we'll end it on 9:30. Okay, dah copy dah for this one. Basically, if you remember BODMAS, I don't think you have to copy. Just remember B on the first priority, and then DM and then the second priority, and then AS is a third priority.
Teacher, what about O? Why doesn't O have an for BODMAS? Why doesn't O? Isn't it order?
Pardon? Is it?
Order.
Okay. Yeah. But you don't have to worry, because we are in the primary school, so we just remember BDMAS lah. Okay, finish for this one. BDMAS also you can remember, but it's hard for us to remember the short form for the alphabet BDMAS. So it's easy for us to remember the acronym BODMAS. This one is acronym lah, singkatan punya perkataan. It just same if you remember that we have Maybe you have heard before Tadika. What is Tadika? Tadika is Taman Didikan Kanak-kanak. That one is a short form. Bukan, it's not a short form, it's acronym form. The acronym singkatan Tadika, and then berdikari. You know, in Malay we have berdikari, berdiri di atas kaki sendiri. That one is berdikari. So it's just the same here about math. We have bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Alright, finish to copy for this one. You don't have to copy the question that I have here because we will doing education on the worksheet. I will show to you. Okay, dah. Alright, now I have to click on this one. Okay, so okay, this is what we are going to do. Okay, mix operation. Okay, we have a simple, very short, simple equation that we have here. Yeah, it is very simple, but we have from A until R. So we have 18 questions to solve for this one for today. All right. Okay, now I will give you time to do A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, for this one we have operation. If you look at A, we have addition and multiplication, and then B we have multiplication and addition. Uh, so I think from A until F we have addition and multiplication only. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes maybe. Six lah. Okay, we have a six question. Okay, six question. I will give you 6 minutes to complete this one. Cikgu bagi awak 6 minit untuk sedia untuk selesaikan. Tak susah pun this one for A, B. It's a small number yang kecil saja. Just for you to remember to the priority and the law of about math. Okay, you may start to solve A, B, C, D, E, and F. I think for A and B, you can just give a congak answer kan. Tak payah nak kira-kira pun, you don't have to calculate. It is a small number, nombor kecil je. Okay, finish? Not yet. Okay.
And teacher.
Okay, kasih. Akilah. Done?
Not yet. Then teacher.
Alright. Okay, now. Okay, question number 1. Okay, 6 plus 4 times 2. Okay, here we have addition and multiplication. So what we have to do first? Addition or multiplication?
Multiplication.
Okay, multiplication here. So,
Multiplication.
okay, so 4 times 2 will get
8.
8. Okay, so now here 6 plus 8. So that what we get?
14.
14. Alright, very good. Okay, next. Okay, here 5 times 10 plus 8. So we have to times first. So 5 times 10 will get 50, and then 50 plus 8.
Plus 8. 8.
Okay, 58. Alright, very good. Okay, and then C. 84 plus 6 times 106. So what we have to do first? We have we have to multiplication. To do multiplication here or times here. So 6 times 106. So we get that's right here. So 6 times 6 equal to 36. So 0 times 6 equal to 0 plus 3. 1 times 6 we get 6. So 636. And then we have here 84. So 84 plus with 636. So we'll get 720. Okay. What have can we put 636 on the top and the 84 bottom? Boleh tak kita letak 636 dekat atas and then 84 dekat bawah? Yes, you can. Okay, you will get the same answer. If you put 636 dekat atas on the top and then 84 dekat bawah, sama sajalah. Okay. Okay. But what you yang tak boleh buat ialah if you plus first. 84 plus 6 and then you times 106. Tak boleh. That one you can. Okay, next. D. 309 plus 207 times 9. So this one we have to do multiplication first. So 207 times with 9. So 7 times 9 we get 63. 0 times 9 is equal to 0 plus 6. You put 6 here. 2 times 9 equal to 18. So you get 1863. Then you have to plus 309 plus with 1863. So you don't mind you nak letak dekat 1863 dekat atas pun tak jadi masalah. You'll get the same answer here. Okay, so the answer here is 2172. Okay, next one. 2940 times 4, then plus 395. Okay, so here we have multiplication. So you have to times lah. Okay, so 2940 times with 4. So I get 0, 16, 9 times 4, 36 plus 1, 37. 2 times 4, you get 8. 8 plus 3, you get 11. Okay. So then we have to plus with 395. So 11,760 plus with 395. So we'll get here 5, 15, 11, 2, 1. So we'll get 12,155. Okay, 12,155. Okay, and then next F. 3,201 plus 6 times 549. So remember both math. So what you have to do first is multiplication times here. Okay. So 549 times with 6. So we'll get 9 times 6 go to 54. 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 5 will get 29. 5 times 6 equal to 30. 30 plus 2 get 32 here. So 3,294. And then 3,201 plus 3,294. So we'll get here 5,946. So we'll get 6,495. Okay. Right. So out of 6, what do you get? 6 over 6. All correct answer for
6
this
over
one.
6.
Oh, very good. Okay.
6 over 6.
Good job. Okay. Okay, Akila. Can we go for next?
Yes.
Kasih Irina, Jendra. Can we go next?
Yes.
Mm-mm. Dahaga cikgu dia buatnya tengok Zendra minum soya lagi. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now we look at. Okay, here. G, H, I, J, K, L. Until L lah. Okay, until L. Okay. MN. It's okay. After this, we'll do MN. Okay, now. Here G, H, I, J, K, and L. If you look at G, H, I, and J, we have a bracket. Okay, remember the bracket here, both mass. So bracket is the first priority. Okay, yes, you may start now. You do J, H, I, J, K, L only ya. MN, after this we will do. Kita buat sikit-sikit dulu.
Done.
Alright. Kila, kasih.
Not yet.
Okay.
Almost. Teacher, I already tried to do M and N.
Then
I tried to do M and
MNN. Okay.
and I'm very confused right now.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, okay. G. 200 in bracket 209 plus 2300 times 7. Okay, so here we have bracket and multiplication. So for this one we have to solve bracket. We have to solve bracket first. Okay, so 209 plus 2300. Okay, so we get here 9052. Okay, this one is in a bracket. We get 2509. Okay, after that we have 2 times. Okay, so 2509 times with 7. So 9 times 7 we get 63. So 0 times 7 equal to 0 plus 6. So we put 6 here. 5 times 7, 35. So 2 times 7 equal to 14. 14 plus 3 will get 17. So the answer here is 17,563. Okay, that one for G, yeah. And then H. H also we have bracket and addition. So of course we have to solve a bracket first. So the question in bracket that we have here is 234 times with 8. So 4 times 8 will get 32. So 3 times 8 will get 24. 24 plus 3, 27. And then 2 times 8 will get 16. 16 plus 2 you get 18. So 1872 in bracket and then plus with 4391. So get here 6263. 6263. Okay, for I, if you look at here, I we have a two bracket. First bracket we have 120 times 6, and then the second bracket we have 281 times with 4. So of course you have to solve the equation in bracket first, after that baru you tambah dekat situ. Okay, so 120 times with 6 first. So we'll get 2 times 6, 12, 6, 7. For the first bracket, we'll get 720. And the second bracket, 281 times 4. So we'll get 432. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. So the second bracket, we got 1124. So after that, we have to plus both of it. So 720 plus with 1124. So we get here 1844. 4. Okay, you have to solve the question in bracket, both bracket that we have here, and then we plus the product of our multiplication. Okay, next J. Okay, the first bracket we have 90 times 4, and the second bracket we have 461 times 3. So 90 times 4 first, so we'll get 360, and then the second bracket 461 times 3, so we'll get 18, so we'll get 1383. After that, you have to plus the product of the multiplication that we have, which is 360 plus 1383. So you will get 1743. Ding. Okay. That one is the question that involving bracket and addition. And then K here we have subtraction and multiplication. So remember both math. So we have to do the priority is bracket and then division, multiplication. So here we have multiplication. So you have to solve 2 times 4 first. So 2 times 4 will get 8. So this one 47 minus with 8. So 47 minus with 8 will get 39. Okay. So the answer is 39. Okay, and then L 890 minus 2 times 26. Again, here we have a multiplication times here. So 26 times with 2 first. So we'll get 52. Okay, after that, 890 minus with 52. So you will get 10 minus 2, 8. 3, 8. So 838. Okay, Akila Ashraf. Kasih Dina. Chandra. Get all correct for this one? I hope so.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we go for MNOP, yeah? Okay, I have to clear this one first. Okay, MNOP. Until R, we have another 6 question. Okay, this is our last task lah for us. Because we will stop at 9:30, yeah? We have another 10 minutes. So I will give you 3 minutes to complete for this one. Sebab senang saja, eh? Okay. M we have 3 times 2,400 ringgit minus 4,250 ringgit, and then N we have in bracket 102 minus 4 times 14. O we have 2,492 minus 993 times 2, and then P we have in bracket 408 minus 93 times 7. Q we have in bracket 2010 minus 59 times in bracket 197 minus 189. And then R we have in bracket 7,390 minus 2,350 times with in bracket 540 minus 497. Okay. I think you supposed to be you dah ingat lah which one is the priority. Okay, bracket, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. 3 minutes enough for you lah to complete for this one. Tak susah pun. At least a small number, nombor kecil je. Okay, I think we can do it together. Discussing for this one. Okay, M. 3 times 2,400 ringgit minus 4,250 ringgit. So for this one, we have to times lah. Of course, we have to time first because uh, vacation kan. Okay. So RM 2,400 ringgit times with 3. So we'll get 0, 0. 4 times 3, 12. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1, 7. So we get here 7,200. So RM 7,200 ringgit minus with RM 4,250 ringgit. So here we'll get 2,950 ringgit. Okay, 2,950 ringgit. Okay, and if you look at N, here we have bracket and multiplication. Of course, we have to solve the question in bracket first. So 102 minus with 4. So we'll get 98. So 98 times with 14. So 8 times 4, 32. 9 times 4, 36. Plus 3, 39. And then 8, 9 here. So we'll get 1,372. Okay, 1,372. Okay, then look at O. 2,492 minus 993 times 2. So we have to times first. So 993 times 2. So we'll get 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So we get here 1986. So 2,492 minus 1986. So we'll get 506. Okay, we get 506. Okay, next P. F in bracket 408 minus 93 times 7. So we have to solve the equation in bracket first. 408 minus 93. So we'll get 5 here. So we'll get 315. So 315 times with 7. So we'll get 21 plus 1, 22. So the final answer that we have here is 2,205. Okay. And next one for Q and R here, we have both in bracket. So you have to minus first. 2,010 minus 59. So you will get 1951. And then 197 minus 189. So you get remaining here 8. So 51 times with 8. So we'll get 1 times 8 equal to 8. This one is equal to 40. 9 times 8 will get 72. 72 plus 4, 76. So 8 plus 7 we'll get 15. Okay. So the final answer here is 15,608. Okay, 15,608. And the last one for the last discussion for us today, 7,390 minus 2,350. So we get here 0, 50. Okay, 5,040. After that, we have here 540 minus 497. So here we get 40, 43. So 5040 times with 43. So we get 0, 12, 15, 0, 16, 20. Okay, so we get 2761. Okay, so the final answer here is 216,720. Okay, that one is the answer for R. Okay, 216,720. Right. Okay. So if you look at from A until R, the question are just around with bracket, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So this one is not involving division lagi ya. Maybe for next class, we will continue with division, divide. Okay? Boleh? Alright, so now boleh ni kasih. Okay, thank you Akila. So you'll get all correct for this one. Okay, right. So,
Yeah.
so I really hope that you remember what we have learned today. The mix operation, the important thing you have to remember the board mass that we have there. Okay, so if you remember the board mass, you know which one is the priority to solve the equation, so you'll get the correct answer. But if you forgot, you won't get a correct answer for this one. Okay, so that's all for today. Inshallah we'll meet next class. Okay, thank you very much. Selamat berpuasa, jaga diri baik-baik. Okay, that's all.